Welcome back. So far we've learned cloud computing fundamentals, service models, GCP architecture. Now it's time for our first practical activity. We'll create a project and deploy a virtual machine. Step 1. Create a project. Inside Google Cloud Console, navigate to IAM and Admin Manage Resources. Click Create Project. Provide project name, project ID. Example, GCP Learning Demo. Click Create. Why projects matter. Remember, everything in GCP lives inside a project. Projects provide resource isolation, billing boundaries, access control. Step 2. Enable Compute Engine API. Many GCP services require APIs. Navigate to APIs and Services. Enable Compute Engine API. This activates virtual machine functionality. Step 3. Create a virtual machine. Navigate to Compute Engine VM Instances. Click Create Instance. Provide name, Demo VM, region, Asia South 1, machine type, E2 Micro. This machine falls under the free tier for eligible users. Step 4. Launch instance. Click Create. Within a few seconds Google provisions CPU, RAM, storage, network, and creates a server for you. Step 5. Connect using SSH. Click SSH. Google automatically opens a terminal. You now have access to your server. Try shell 1 hostname, show more lines, or shell 1 ls, show more lines. Congratulations! You're now working on a cloud server. Understanding what happened just a few years ago. Creating a server required purchasing hardware, installing operating systems, networking configuration. Today, 1 click, 1 minute, 1 server. That's the power of cloud computing. Conclusion. In this session we created a project, enabled an API, created a VM instance, connected via SSH. In the next video we'll explore storage services in Google Cloud, understand cloud storage buckets, and learn where applications store files in the cloud.